How do I start the setup?
Okay, great. Yeah, so I've got it all set up here. And again, this isn't intended as a training session, every detail I'm going to cover, but just the general overview. So first thing I do is I walk up to a set of ears that I want to line bore. I slide the bar in. I go ahead then and I slide the setup cones, which are going to get me close, right? 80-20 rule. 80% of the time I'm going to use those cones to get me centered. The other 20% I may have to put a block of wood. I may have to cut out a plywood piece with a hole in the middle of it that centers the bore. I mean, whatever it takes, I want to get that fairly close to center. I'll go ahead and build my bearing setup, whether it's a universal here with the 3 or 4 legs on it, the single arm with the tack block and the bearing cartridge, or even a double arm. Once I have those all built on the bench, I'll slide them on in position so that they slide onto the bar right up against my workpiece, and then I'll just tack weld them on. Now at that point I've set the datum. The bearings are holding the bar on my center line. So that's my basic alignment. And then from there I can go either put the line boring machine on, the BB5, BB3, BB45, I can slide it on, and my feed, or I can attach the welder or whatever, but I'm sure we'll get questions on that. So that's my basic setup. I'm establishing that datum.